Hey everybody, Shannon from Backyard Homestead, and I was going to try and put some trim on the window, and now I remember why I don't like doing miter corners, because I can't. You should have seen me trying to cut. Anyway, so huge gap between those two pieces. I don't think my saw had it lined up right, but I got the one long piece done really good. However, when I come here to do this one, I want it to butt up against here, kind of like what this one does. And look, I've made it too long again. So I'm going to have to pull this piece off and cut it shorter to fit. So I'm not real happy about this. I should have just cut square, square angles, but and gosh, I'm only using small brad nails at this point. So I'll pull this off, see if I can get the two little nails out, and redo it, I guess. Okay, second time after I've now cut my boards again. See if we can get this figured out. Like I said, I am no carpenter, and that's clear to see here. Oh no. Once again, I didn't cut right, but you know what? It's a Coop, right? Oh no. Oh, it doesn't help that my wood is not straight at all. This is horrible. Oh. Okay, I have to show you how unstraight this is. From the back side, it looks great. Till you get up close. See how much it warps up there? And then I have the gap. Look at that from the warp. Isn't that horrible? But, it is what it is. It's a framed window. Not what I wanted, but it will work. Now, I cut these two pieces for the door. And my thinking on the door, instead of having double trim on one side and on the other, I just use one piece here, and then one piece here. Oh, I forgot to cut that one for the opening. So it will sit something like this, and then the door should, in theory, open. So let's put a couple brad nails in to hold it in place. And I will screw this one on because this is what's going to have the door latch, and so I'll need that to be secure. So it'll kind of look like that, and then the door will open. And because I nailed it on this side, not this side, the door can open and close. So this one will do the same thing, but I have to mark up there. because of the opening of the door. Excuse me again. Up here at the top, I have the door opening, and I have to separate those two. So, yeah, I'll have to go get some more trim, at least one more piece for the side here, and then I would like to get some trim for the door there. Yeah, so, alright, thanks for watching.